If a door is severely warped, rotted, or repeatedly failing after multiple repairs, it is time to replace it rather than try another fix. Start by measuring the door and frame to confirm whether the problem is the door itself or the jamb and trim. Inspect the edges, bottom rail, and hinge mortises for wood rot or deep splitting that cannot be removed by sanding without losing structural integrity. Check for persistent sticking after planing or shaving more than 1/8 of an inch from the edge, which indicates warping beyond correction. Test hardware alignment by loosening hinges and seeing whether realigning and truing the jamb restores smooth operation. If hinge screw holes are stripped or the hinge mortise is torn out, a repair may be temporary at best. Look for signs of moisture damage like soft wood, blackened fibers, or paint bubbling that suggest ongoing exposure and likely hidden damage. When the door's core material is delaminating, or the stile and rail joinery is failing so that cutting out and patching would compromise appearance or strength, replacement is the most cost-effective and durable option. Common mistakes include assuming cosmetic fixes are sufficient when structural damage exists, which wastes time and money. Instead, prioritize a physical test of stiffness and a probing check with a screwdriver to detect soft spots and decide on replacement. Another mistake is repeatedly adjusting hardware while ignoring a warped or twisted door leaf. So measure flatness with a straight edge, and if the gap varies widely along the perimeter, replace the door rather than chasing adjustments. Finally, people often replace trim and repaint without addressing trapped moisture or damaged threshold details. So when you replace the door, also repair or flash the sill, weather stripping, and any rot in the jamb to prevent recurrence. We built bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work in their area. We also host an active discussion community where we share practical advice, project photos, and contractor recommendations to help people decide whether to repair or replace a door.